Good morning. First Honda of the year, so congratulations. So what mods we got?
At the moment it's running DCAT.
Yeah.
TypeR airbox.
TypeR airbox, DCAT. ECU?
It's not ECU at the moment, it's got a marlin to go off.
Yeah, marlin from Paul West to go on, good stuff.
Multi-tony manifold to go off.
TypeR jap speed? TypeR. To go on, but it's not on at the moment. So this is our standard pre-modifications run then, is it?
Yeah.
To see what Yeah, cool. You done any servicing work to it or any maintenance since you bought it? Rightio. Okay. Well, let's see what she makes. Well, first Honda of the year, and it's doing really, really well, as you can see. Considering it's not modified, it's made 212 brake, ladies and gentlemen. That's definitely worth pressing the bell for on the YouTube channel, so making sure you get subscribed to our content.